Hi, I'm Kristina. I'm really happy to see you here today. Today, I just want to take a quiet moment and move through a gentle yoga session. Nothing complicated, nothing rushed, just a little time to slow down and reconnect with the body. I've always liked that yoga feels different every day. Sometimes it gives energy, sometimes it helps relax, and sometimes it's simply a way to pause and be present for a few minutes. For me, these moments are not about doing everything perfectly. I like treating yoga as a calm conversation with myself, paying attention to breathing, noticing how the body feels, and allowing movement to happen naturally. I enjoy routines that feel soft and comfortable. No pressure, no expectations, just creating a little space to move and reset. Even simple movements can completely change how the day feels. One thing I really love about yoga is that it helps bring attention back to the present moment. Instead of thinking about everything at once, I can focus on breathing, posture, and just being here. Sometimes we forget how important it is to slow down. We keep moving from one thing to another and rarely allow ourselves a moment of quiet. That's why sessions like this feel so valuable to me. I also think yoga teaches patience in a very natural way. You don't need to force progress or chase results. You just show up, move a little, breathe a little deeper, and let the process happen. After these moments, I usually feel lighter, calmer, and more balanced. It's a simple habit, but it always helps me reset. Thank you for spending this peaceful moment with me. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.